going
HVT
on,
is taking
everybody.
fire.
Marksman rifles, and yeah, it's gonna be fun.
We're winning. Keep
Only
it
do them
that
in
way.
hardcore,
They got our HVT.
and yeah,
Protect our HVT.
just I don't know.
HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT
My
under
question is,
fire.
when are they gonna bring the
We
Swiss
took
back?
out their HVT. Now hold it. Hostile
Because I
HVT
love the
located.
Swiss.
We've
Those
taken
are
the lead.
one of my
Stay on
favorite
task.
snipers, and they don't get it. Look at these slow, clunky ass ones. They feel just like how MW2 fell, Modern
You're
Warfare
falling
fell.
behind, Crimson.
It's not
You're
fun.
being outplayed, Crimson One. Step it up.
Yeah, I'm trash.
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe.
Just so bad.
Our HVT has been eliminated.
Damn it, dude.
Hostiles reclaim the lead.
Move up. Marksman is down.
Yeah, these headshots are gonna be
Friendly HVT on
trash,
Keep them
brother.
safe.
I don't know. But yeah, no, I miss the Swiss. I wish we still had the Swiss.
HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire.
Shock charge set.
That's the fun time. Good sniping.
Reclaim the advantage. Now hold it. They got our
I'll finish
HVT.
with them.
The lead is ours.
Sorry,
Enemy
mate. Broke your
HVT is
streak.
down.
Like that.
Enemy HVT on site. Take them out. HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe.
Oh shit.
We're falling behind, Crimson.
Yeah, I'm lagging
Our
so bad
HVT
right
has been
now.
eliminated.
Oh man.
Protect our HVT.
This is terrible, bro.
We took out their HVT.
So bad right now.
Smoked.
Hostile HVT located. HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire. We're
I think
winning.
this one and the
Keep
little
it that
goblin
way.
knockoff. I can't remember the name of it. I think these two are the hardest. Goblin was a pain in the fucking ass.
Disarm your spring mine.
Enemy
Enemies hit
HVT on
disarm
site.
your
Take
spring
them
mine.
out. The lead is on.
That's cool.
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe.
Here. Boom. Take some of that.
We've given up the
Oi, oi.
lead. They
Oh,
got our HVT.
Sniper removed.
I'm trash.
Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe.
Oh,
Target ID.
HVT under fire.
Target
Repeat,
ID. I don't see
HVT under
nobody.
fire.
I saw him. No, I ain't taking it.
We've taken the lead. Stay on task.
What the?
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe. They've taken
Dude,
the
I
lead.
don't know what to do anymore.
We're winning. Keep it that way.
I'm just so.
Enemy HVT is down.
So I
We
feel
claimed the
about right
advantage.
now.
Now
I'm just
hold it.
over
Hostile
it,
HVT
dude.
located. Mission goals agreed. Faction teams among
So
us
bad.
Goes
divided.
to the
Please give me a good map, please. I'll take it. Alright, heirloom,
Destroy the
let's
enemy.
get it. I haven't had a problem with this map yet. I know these long shot lines are crazy.
We're winning. Keep it that way.
See, two people can hold the entire light sign. Okay, they're there.
sniper threat neutralized.
Hostiles reclaimed the lead.
Five by.
Oh,
Heads.
oh man, I tried to line up the heady. Come on. Peek your little head out. Nope, nope, nope. Damn it.
Gain the advantage. Now
Marksman is
hold it.
down.
Ooh, get shit on.
Engaging for.
Oh, damn. I got shit on. Shit. That was hilarious.
They've taken the lead.
Okay, I'll get that, but I pulled the trigger.
Failure to identify.
Like, I have 0 dead zones on my fucking controller. Like, as soon as I barely baby touch it, it should fire. Punk ass white boy.
The lead is on.
Going up.
Oh shit. Alright, I don't want to play no more. Come on, ball boy.
Throwing shot charge.
Oh. I got gang banged on the side, daddy. Yet again, dude. Like, I'll give it to him, but I pulled the trigger. Read you like a book, son. Like a book, feller. Here you come. Coming to me. Come to me. Come to me. What the crap? Now it goes off. That's some. Here we are again. I stole it from you, bitch ass. Is him on the ground? Oh, that would have been sus if I'd hit that. Okay.
You're falling behind, Crimson.
Hostile delivery.
See,
Hostiles reclaimed the lead.
his ass is in front of me. If I shoot, I team kill. Then I die, and I lose, like, score streak. Not even score streak, but I lose, like, just the credit. You stay there. Hey, there we go.
Sniper
One.
removed.
Oh, it's a collab. That's more impressive on core than hardcore, but I'll take it. Everybody be safe this upcoming holiday. On travel. Enjoy your time with your family. I'm most certainly going to. Like and subscribe to everybody that has. I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a fantastic time. Peace.